Hi everyone, it's Mary Kay here. Today I'm going to show you how to carry color in Tunisian crochet. I'll be adding pink bobble stitches. I'll place my new color on top of my main color, then insert my hook into the first simple stitch, and then pick up a loop, making sure that that pink color is secured when I make the stitch. For the next stitch, insert my hook again, go under the pink color, pick up the white, and make sure that the pink color has been secured. I'll be making a bobble stitch with the pink color, and I'm going to skip over that really fast since that isn't the subject of this video. To change colors, I'm picking up my main color again, insert my hook into the next simple stitch, go under the pink, and pull up a loop. For the second stitch, just insert your hook and pull up a loop. These stitches are an alternating 2-stitch process. The colored yarn needs to be placed in a position where it can be secured when you make your stitch. The first stitch is to go under the colored yarn, pick up the main color, and pull up a loop. With the second stitch, the yarn is already in the right position, so pull through a loop as usual. Starting the sequence again, insert your hook under the color and pull through a loop. The next stitch is a normal simple stitch. I'll quickly do another bobble stitch and then we'll pick up where we left off. Move the color to the back, then insert your hook in the next simple stitch, go under the color, pick up a loop. The second half of the 2-stitch set is a regular simple stitch. Let's watch a few more. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.